Hello everyone, this is Uday Kumar from CSC section. I am studying at Adyasankara Institute of Technology. The subject is operating system and topic is structures of operating systems. We can explain one by one what is the subtypes of structures. There are four types. One is simple structure, second one is layered structure, third one is microkernel, fourth one is modular structure or approach. Okay, first one, simple structure. Such operating systems do not have well-defined structure and are small, simple and limited systems. The interfaces and levels of functionality are not well separated. MS-DOS is an example of such operating system. In MS-DOS, application programs are able to access the basis input and output routines. These types of operating systems cause the entire system to crash if one of the user program fails. Diagram of the structure of MS-DOS are shown below. There go from application program, and next one's resident system programs, and next is MS-DOS device drivers. Next one ROM BIOS device drivers. Advantages of simple structure. It delivers better application performance because of the few interfaces between the application's program and the hardware. Easy for kernel developers to develop such an operating system. Disadvantages of simple structure. The structure is very complicated and no clear boundaries exist between modules. It does not enforce data hiding in the operating system. Second one is layered structure. An OS can be broken into pieces. It retain much as control on system. In this structure, OS is broken the number of layers. The bottom layer as 0 is the hardware is the topmost layer. Layer up to n is the user interface. There is layers are designed. Each layer uses for functions of the lower level layers only. This simplified is debugging process, as if lower level layers are debugged and an error occurs during debugging, then the error must be on that layer is only that. So already has been debugged. The structure of the layer structure, the diagram. Layer 0 hardware and one is up term, second one is up to end term, third one is layer and user interface. Advantages of layered structure. Layering makes it easier to enhance the operating system. Implementation of a layer can be changed easily without affecting the other layers. It is very easy to perform debugging and system verification. And disadvantages of layer structure. In this structure, the application performed is degraded as compared to simple structure. It requires careful planning for designing the layers, as higher layers use the functionalities of only the lower layers. Microkernel, third one is. The structure designs the operating system by removing all non-essential components from the kernel and implementing them as system and user programs. This results in a smaller kernel called the microkernel. Advantages of microkernel structures. It makes the operating system portable to various platforms, as microkernels are small, so this can be tested effectively. Disadvantages of kernel microkernel structure. Increase the level of inter-module communication, degrades system performance. And last one is modular structure or approach statement. It is considered as the best approach for an OS. It involves designing of a modular kernel. The kernel has only set of core components and other services are added as a dynamically loadable modules to the kernel either during runtime or boot time. It resembles layered structure due to the fact of each kernel has defined and protected interfaces, but it more flexible than the layer structure, as a module can call any other module. For example, Solaris OS is organized as shown in the figure. Let's see the diagram. Core Solaris kernel. Okay, led by one as attached core Solaris kernel. The first one is scheduling classes, and next one executable formats, next one file systems, loadable system calls, streams modulus, miscellaneous modulus, devices and bus drivers. And thanks for giving the opportunity.